Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by checking power and signal paths. Make sure the equalizer and source share the same ground and correct inputs. Once powered, save a preset or photograph current settings because you may return to them. Then, set every band to flat or unity. This gives you a neutral baseline to hear changes clearly. You do this now so subsequent adjustments reflect room and system behavior, not accumulated tweaks. It prevents compounding errors when you begin tuning. You move from baseline to active diagnosis by playing pink noise or a calibrated test tone through the system. This exposes peaks and nulls. Once you identify a problem frequency, briefly boost that band to localize the issue, then reduce it appropriately. Cutting fixes resonances without adding noise. Make changes one band at a time and always monitor levels so you don't clip. Maintaining headroom preserves dynamics and prevents misleading distortion. You finalize by a /B testing with real tracks that you know well. Switch between flat and your tune preset to verify improvements. Once satisfied, document or save the preset and label channels so the settings are repeatable. If issues remain, lacking clarity, boomy bass, or intermittent noise, check speaker phase, cable integrity, and room reflections. Hardware faults can mimic EQ problems. One key troubleshooting tip: if changes sound worse, revert to the saved baseline and retune with smaller Q and gain steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.